Alright, welcome back guys. Today's a little different than the car content I normally push out, but I have to replace the throttle cable on my Cun Cadet XT1, so I figured I'd make a quick video, see if maybe help someone out. Doesn't seem like there's too much to it, but we will see when I start tearing it apart. I am going to start with taking that guy off so I get a little better view. So, this guy doesn't engage anymore. And I noticed this was all melted through here, so it just looks like it pulls off here, connects here, and just runs up through. Let's see. Perfect. I was using the 8mm on the Mustang, so it was the last thing that I had on my drill. Just so happened to be the right size. I'm going to use this. As easy as that. Slide. There's a little hole down there. I'm going to slide this through. Feed it through. Back around to the front. Now it helps to record everything, so I went back through and just double checked that it was in the middle one. A little bit of messing around all the way down, and then I set this guy so that it was straight up and down, left about that much hanging out. Full throttle, choke up. The choke goes all the way up, comes back down to the top of the throttle when you're done. It all functions as it needs. It took maybe 5-10 minutes. Alright, that's the old cable. Yeah, not too much to these. Route it the right way so it doesn't hit the exhaust, and hopefully it doesn't melt my new one like that. But appreciate you guys watching. If you have any questions, let me know. If you haven't seen any of the Mustang content that I've put out yet, should hop over there and check it out. I'll have more videos on the Mustang to come. Take care. If you guys don't have one of these types of jugs yet, you gotta go get one. So much easier than the other ones. You still here? The video's over, man. See you next time.